the twin transition will require a profound transformation of our industry, significant investments, and the creation of new markets. And I want to say that is something we are bringing to the debate because of the ecosystem lens. Policy, I mean, the evidence we can assemble is to have the best policy measures here in support of industry making these transitions. However, it's not enough to only look at the supply side and have certain rules on supply side, which is kind of the traditional way we did. We also need markets for the new products and for the enhanced products. So we need to look at demand and supply on both sides. A key enabler for advanced manufacturing is trustworthy artificial intelligence and robotics, Internet of Things. And we are trying to see from the policy maker end what we could contribute in terms of regulation, in terms of financing of infrastructures, in terms of making it easier for private investment also to come in,